Oh God, bad accident. Did they make it out? All bias aside, I paid for all three of them, and I love the Pista the most. Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Stickers back with another video, and this is a long-awaited video, something you guys have been asking for a while. You guys have had the KYT video, KYT KX1 Race GP review video, you guys have had the Alpine Star video, but now you guys want to know why the AGV Pista is my go-to helmet that I wear 99% of the time. Now it's time for me to explain why. So, to start, yes, it is the most expensive by far out of the three. But I truly do believe there is a reason for why it's so expensive. The AGV is very much the most aerodynamic out of the three. So, you can't be aerodynamics. Is it loud? Yes. Do I believe it is quieter at the high speeds? Yes. At low speeds, I do think that the KYT and the Alpine Star are quieter. But anything on the freeway going the speeds that you guys are used to seeing us do when most bikers go, it definitely is quieter because of how tight everything is. What I mean by that? The Alpine Star has a lot of air seepage through the visor, and you guys can hear that when riding, which really sucks. Also, you have to buy other accessories for the Alpine Star to work as good as it does. AGV straight out of the box. It, yes, is a carbon helmet, is going to be loud. Yes, there is wind noise and they recommend earplugs. That is any race carbon fiber helmet. And if you have had all three to try, you guys know they are all loud at high speeds no matter what you wear. But I believe that I will give up a little bit more loudness for great aerodynamics. Both the KYT and the Alpine Star, if I had to do that, look over my shoulder, there is a lot of drag. And I really hate drag on my neck. It is one of the more exhausting things when riding. If you're consistently fighting, oh God, bad accident. Oof. Hope everyone's all right. Did they make it out? Let's clean up this road for everybody. Go bring it this way, so it's out of the way.
What are you talking about? Like somebody call.
Oh, you want us to call someone?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Who do you want us to call?
What
is it? Who is it though?
My girlfriend.
It's your girl?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a minute, bro.
Is there anything? He should probably not stay like that and lay on the floor. Yeah. Is he pinned?
It's broken and we bring them out, it breaks tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm working
Looks like he got T-boned right here by this orange car. And did this pop? Huh? Or did you have an air? Did it pop?
No.
Oh, it just looked like it was inflated. Is it an airbag? Is it an airbag or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
Right now, we're fucking Lancaster. Want to see my mom?
Yeah. Damn. A14, exit A14, going south on the 605.
Yeah, 911 has all that.
Okay, they have the. Oh, I wasn't sure you. There's an ambulance that just drove by. Well, let me clean up this road a little bit more. I see a couple more pieces up here, and then we're gonna take off. Jeez.
Yeah, I know.
Alrighty. Did you see it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're right behind it?
No, this guy's fucking under the influence. He sideswiped this car back here, this black Toyota.
Oh.
And then he was like doing shit and like peeling out in the lane, almost hit me.
Oh shit.
And then he comes up here after hitting that car. He went to take the exit, then like jumped the. You can see
Oh fuck.
over there, smashed into the median, and then right in front of this orange Subaru and hit them.
Yeah, I thought he got kind of pit maneuvered by the orange car, but no.
Shit was 100% him.
Oh, jeez. Well, alrighty. Well, good luck with everything. I'm out of here. Yeah, thank you. Jeez, that was bad. I hope he's all right. I guess he was doing dumb shit. I don't know if you guys heard him. He was traveling over there, hit this car, came across all the lanes. Lucky there isn't more accident, and then hit the wall. And then the orange car ran into him after he came all the way across and crashed, which is insane. Whew. Now this was a change of events for this Pista review, but all right, now we're out of here. They did everything. Why does my rear no, it's not flat. That felt funny. All right, now now back to the regular program. Oh damn, there's another one over here. The regular programmed video, but yeah, I hope he's alright. I guess he was doing stupid shit like that guy was saying. He thinks he might have been under the influence, but why am I bouncing? That's okay. I think it might be the lane. I was worried that I might have rode over some debris and got in my tire, but luckily not that. But alright, to continue this video talking about the Pista. Now I totally do not remember really what I was saying, because this was a total change of events, and yeah. But okay, to continue, the aerodynamics on this is significantly better than both the Alpine Star and the KYT. KYT is low speeds, probably the quietest. At mid-range, it's definitely the AGV, and at high range, they're all loud, for sure, all loud. But I think when I was looking over my shoulder and talking to you guys doing traffic, all stopped. But when you look over your shoulder, you can do this easily with the Pista at higher rates of speed. You can't do that with the KYT or the Alpine Star. The KYT's locking visor, I will say, is for sure better and has better sound. I don't even know the word. The sound that comes through the visor is the second least, which is none, just like the Pista. And when you turn your head, you can hear the wind squeezing in the side of the visor, because I've done it in the video. You can see me. I cover the side of the visor and look over my shoulder. And when you do that, you can limit the air that comes through, but you can hear the air. So that means on the side of the visor, a lot of air comes through. The Pista does not have that. I think it is due to, and the KYT doesn't, the locking visor versus how the KYT locks. It's not really a lock. Next, on the AGV Pista, I think it is more aerodynamic in the regular non-tucked position too. Just normal riding, your neck isn't going to be tired. I know I touched on this. I'm kind of lost on where I was. Sorry guys, but it is a lot better than that. The other two, I would honestly, for purposes of comparing, I would say the KYT is more aerodynamic looking over your shoulder at high speeds than the Alpine Star, even though I have the Alpine Star with the big spoiler and everything else. So out of all three, quietness, if you don't go too fast and want the quietest helmet, I would say at low and medium speeds, go with the KYT or the Alpine Star. But if you're going anything at a higher rate of speed, all three of them are going to be extremely loud and pointless to really care about high speeds. Wear earplugs if you want. I prefer not to. The only thing I really dislike about the AGV is two things. The price of the visors. $150 is extremely expensive for a visor. And two is there are no cutouts for your cardo. So if you want to install a cardo, it is very difficult. I can pin a video now that shows how to do that and install a cardo on your AGV Pista. It is a little bit more difficult than just setting it there, installing the sticky pads, and done. But I have done it and showed you a great way to do it, how I did it, and your cardo works perfectly. So you need to check out that video and want the Pista, because like I said, it's my favorite. All bias aside, I paid for all three of them, and I love the Pista the most. Aerodynamics, the look is for sure the most sleek looking, and I don't think there's a bad thing about it besides not having a cardo slot and not having and the visor price. And I guess you could say it being in the $2,000 range versus $1,300 and $1,000, that can be a negative. But if you want the best performing helmet, go with the AGV Pista. For sure, there's nothing like it. So that is it for this, guys. I have made my decision and told you guys I own 3 of the most race helmets. Hopefully soon we can order us the Shark and give that one a try. But as of right now, we are not going to be ordering another helmet. But maybe if you guys drop enough comments and let me know that you really want to see the new Shark. I'm not sure the name. It's the one with the active rear arrow. We can maybe get that ordered, talk to Daisuke, and do a review on that one. But, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Oh, big ol' bump. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to turn on those post notifications so you see every upload. We are uploading every Saturday and Wednesday, 10 o'clock Saturday mornings, 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoons, Pacific Standard Time. But alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.